Aloha all. Heading out now, about almost 11 o'clock in the morning. I got about a 2-hour drive, but I told them I wouldn't be there until about 3 or 4 in the afternoon, so I'm gonna take my time today to do a little bit of exploring, should the fancy strike. Yeah, we'll see what today holds. I'm hoping to catch some nice little twisty back roads and get to see a couple of quaint little towns. Should be raining, it said, in the afternoon around 1 o'clock or 2. Hopefully, if I'm lucky, I can dodge it all. Oh man. Yeah, my body is yet to wake up still, I guess. I actually woke up pretty late today. It was after 9 o'clock, I think. So that's a pretty good sleep because I went to sleep around 12:30 area. Decided to take a small break here because I need to figure out where the heck I'm going, because the Google keeps wanting to put me on a freaking highway. And yeah, I'd rather not do that. And it is starting to sprinkle. Mostly just a mist. But it's enough to get a few little droplets on my phone. Yep, and then let's see here. How far from after that do I still have? Oh, I have a long way. Well, let me get to Statesville first. Probably pick up some lunch there or something. I doubt I'll need gas by then, but if anything, I might just pick it up. Alright, that works for me. Okay, yeah. I don't know what it is, but Google seems to like putting me on these freaking highways, and it wants to act like, oh, it's not a highway. It's like, yeah, no. If I'm locked on a road without being able to turn off to the side, that's a highway. Anyway. Oh, wow. Some good pizza places here. I don't even know what Lake Center. I don't know what town I'm in. It was probably on the screen.
I am the gatekeeper of my own destiny.
The Marshall Steam Station. And there's the river there. That is awesome. I'm hoping it's just steam coming out the top. That's what I'm gonna say. That's a lot of steam, that's for sure. Yep, I finally found a route that's gonna hopefully do alright. I'm just having troubles with this Google Maps because it keeps wanting to put me on the eco-friendly, quick way. And I'm just like, no, I want to see something that's interesting. I want to be, you know, near the attractions, near the trails. No, instead you're gonna get the most direct route to wherever you're going. And they don't even give you the option anymore to basically pick an indirect route. You're gonna have to force it yourself, and even then, you're forcing it. Because it will still pop up occasionally and be like, oh, we found a faster route. We're gonna automatically put you on the faster route. Yeah, that's fine if you are like a commercial driver, or, you know, having to go somewhere like for a business meeting. But when you are me, where your business is exploring, yeah, No. Give me the stuff to see. If this were a review of Google Maps, all I'm going to tell them is they do not know how to actually set up scenic routes. I'm sure that there are better applications out there. I could obviously go for a Rever that has access to the Butler maps, but I'm sure I'd be able to find something. Sometimes you want a basic app that works well and tells you, you know, interesting stuff, like coming up is, you know, this attraction, or this trail is you know, growing in popularity. I don't know, stuff like that, you know. Require a lot more time, effort, and energy for people to pay attention to the very little minute things. Absolutely. Would you be able to design an algorithm that's good enough to do that? Eventually. Maybe they do need a few more curators who are just like, hey, look, this is an interesting thing. You might not want to, you know, you might not take the route, but it's interesting. Anyway, right now the weather is just overcast. Probably going to be like this for the whole day. Getting sprinkles still here and there, but nothing measurable. I think from what I looked online, it's not even supposed to be an inch of rain today. It's only supposed to rain for like an hour, so my goal is that in that hour that it's going to be raining, I'm hopefully stuck somewhere and my bike is underneath the overhang and I'm able to just relax. Oh, we've got some traffic here. Oh, there's a Bojangles. Seems to be one of the more popular chicken restaurants here, at least in this part of the South, I'll say, because I don't think I've seen any of them in Florida, but, well, I can't say Georgia. I wasn't in Georgia that much, but definitely South Carolina, Tennessee, North Carolina. It's Bojangles is like almost in every little town. This will be fun, probably because there's a drawbridge up ahead. But you know I took the slower route, and the slower route is 7 minutes slower for a reason. But it's fine. You know, I want to see stuff. And this is the only route that lets me actually drive over the river as much as I want. The other route, you only have like one small river crossing. Oh no, someone's motorcycle glove. Welcome to Troughton, I believe is the name of the town. Very nice little quaint town. Seems to have some good history here. But the buildings are beautiful. Makes me just kind of want to park the bike and go for a walk, you know? I mean, look at that. Troughton. That's what it is. Yeah, beautiful little quaint town. Every time I get the chance to come through these ones, I love it. It's just, you see these towns and like they're not crazy expensive places to live, you know? And I'm sure that there's ways to design it so it's even better. So you could basically just walk through the whole town and never once have to take your car and do anything. Would be nice. Hello. Made it to Statesville, North Carolina. I'm gonna check out a board game shop because it's been a while. And then I'm gonna head to this restaurant over here. It's a Maya restaurant. See if I can get myself a chimichanga. a little expensive for the day, but I want something good. And it's either that or Subway, one of those two. We'll find out. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy myself a little bit here and see you all later. So I might not have made the best purchase decision considering how much storage space I have, but come on, I had to do it. I have dice that are Lilo and Stitch dice. It's a little expensive, but it even comes with a carrying case. I might have to send this home, but I mean, we'll see how well it holds up while I'm on the road. I'm gonna peek in here if I can. We've got some stickers on here. And I'm gonna go ahead and check out this restaurant because I am feeling like a chimichanga. I didn't want to spend so much money on food, but you know, it's been a while since I've tried restaurants really. Okay, so it actually was in the case, so yeah. This whole thing is the case, and you get the stitch. They're all D6s, which I know I don't really need, but there's a few games I could play with this. But yeah, there we go. Let's see here. We're just gonna go ahead and bury it in the laptop case for now. Anyway, let's move down and go get some food. Throw away some of the excess trash, you know. So I'm here at Maya Restaurant in Statesville, North Carolina, and I can tell you I already had to send the food back because it wasn't even what I ordered. And then again, I did get here during like the end of like a rush, and there were still a bunch of people coming in, so I'm sure there was some level of confusion. Obviously a little bit of a language barrier, I'm betting, as well, but I guess we'll see how it comes out. It looks good. It looked good, so I'm looking forward to what comes out. But oh man, I've already been here about half an hour just trying to get some food. But I have plenty of time. It's sprinkling a little bit, so nothing bad though. Anyway, I guess we'll find out what it looks like. Already taking the first few bites. It's not... You might notice that it didn't really have a lot of extra flavors or spices on there. Like the sour cream and stuff. I'm just not one for any of that stuff. But they put all the vegetables inside, which is nice. This is definitely full of flavor, I'll tell you that much. And the rice is great. It has little bits of corn in there. Oh. Well, I'm gonna go enjoy my lunch. I'll catch up with you guys back on the road. Well, lunch was pretty good. It was tasty, a good chicken chimichanga. Don't get me wrong, I would have enjoyed the steak chimichanga that they first gave me, but I just didn't want to have to, I didn't want to take someone else's meal, you know? I thought that might be wrong. I mean, knowing that they probably just had to throw it all away anyway, I don't know. Unless someone else decided to eat it there. But yeah, no, for me, that was good. It's not one of those places I would say is a must stop. If you're a local there, you probably enjoy it, but I can't say that it was really anything blowing my mind. But I did like that they put the vegetables in the actual food instead of just on top, which means that the way that they deep fry it probably isn't too severe. Yeah, the chicken was great. But yeah, we're now heading out. Got about a little over an hour or so until I get to my destination. The rains said that they'll be coming through around 3 or 4 o'clock, at least at in the Statesville area. We'll see where it changes as I keep progressing further and further north. Tomorrow's supposed to be all good. But my big thing is making sure I got Saturday taken care of, because at this point, I don't know where I'm going to be, and there's at least a chance of rain on the weekend, so yeah. Here's those scenic farmland views that North Carolina is most well known for. Alright, coming up on the Bunka Biker home. They did say they have horses, so I'm betting this is them right there. And I got a roommate today, so this will be interesting. Here we are. Not sure where I need to park at all. So I'll just park right here, should be all right.
How you doing?
Doing good. How about you?
These guys are harmless. These guys are harmless.
All right.
They're totally harmless. Patches and Bandit.
Patches and Bandit.
Get inside. Patches, come on. Hold on a second. Patches, get inside now. Go. Bandit. There you go.
Thank you.
Hey,
Nice to meet you.
where are you riding from originally?
Orlando?
Orlando.
Yeah.
That's a nice little hump.
Hell yeah.
Well, at least the weather up here is pretty fairly nice, you know, and down there too, obviously.
Yeah, I'm hitting all 50 states, so I'm getting all sorts, you know.
50 states?
Yeah.
Really?
Yep.
What time, you know?
A couple of years, maybe 3.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's very cool.
Yeah, I'm just, this year is going to be going up to Maine, and we'll figure out where it goes from there.
Oh, yeah.
If the weather's still nice, I might try to do the Great Lakes area before I head back south again.
There's a bike rally, I think it's the first week or second week in May, down in Myrtle Beach. Which is about, I don't know, 3.5, 4 hours from there.
Yeah.
Come on in, man, take the load off and grab a chair. You want a beer or something, maybe?
No, I'm good.